Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we are discussing about various operators in Python. So let's start with arithmetic operators. Here we see that the arithmetic operator basically in Python, plus sign is the addition operator, and at first we are discussing about the addition operator, and plus sign is the addition operator, and it basically uses to add two values. So here we take two value 1 and value 2, and then we use the addition operator, and then if we print it, then it gives us the addition value 5. 2 plus 3 5. Then the subtraction operator in Python, minus sign is the subtraction operator. It is used to subtract the second value from the first value. So here we take value 1 equal to 1 and value 2 equal to 2, and then if we calculate the subtraction of value 1 and value 2, it gives us minus 1. Then we discussing about multiplication operator in Python. Star sign is the multiplication operator, and it basically used to product of two values. So here we take value 1 as 2 and value 2 as 3, and then if we use the multiplication operator, then it gives us 2 cross 3 equal to 6. And then we use discussing about division operator. In Python, slash sign is the division operator. It basically uses to find the quotient of the when the first operand is divided by the second. Here we take value 1 equal to 3 and value 2 equal to 2, and if we use the division operator, then it gives us 1.5. Then we are discussing about modulus operator in Python. The percentage sign is the modulus operator. It is used to find the remainder when the first operand is divided by the second. Here we take value 1 and value 2 as 3 and 2, and then if we use the modulus operator, then it basically gives us the modulus value of the operand. Then the exponential operator in Python, double star is the basic exponential operator. It is used to raise the first operand to the power of the second. Here we take value 1 equal to 2 and value 2 equal to 3, and if we exponential if you use the exponential operator, then it basically gives us 2 to the power 3 equal to 8. Then the floor division operator in Python, double slash sign is used to conduct the floor division. It is used to find the floor of the quotient when the first operand is divided by the second. Here we take value 1 and value 2, and the if we use the floor division operator, then it basically gives us 1. So in this tutorial we saw that the various operators examples, and thank you.